Welcome, curious minds! Get ready for some mind-blowing facts that'll make you go, wow! Let's start with the humble honeybee. Did you know that these tiny creatures communicate by dancing? They perform intricate moves to convey the location of food sources to their hive mates. Talk about a dance party with a purpose. Now, here's something that'll make your head spin, literally. Our planet is constantly rotating, but did you know that Earth is also moving through space at a staggering speed of over 67,000 miles per hour? That's faster than you can say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Take a deep breath and dive into the ocean's wonders. Did you know that we've explored less than 5% of Earth's oceans? Who knows what mysterious creatures and hidden treasures are lurking in the deep blue? And here's a fun fact to wrap it up. Did you know that laughter is contagious? In fact, the sound of laughter triggers a response in your brain that makes you want to join in. So, go ahead, share a laugh today, it's infectious.